Amidst the agony, the descent, and resurgence of the soul, when agony intertwines with sorrow, the inner self plunges into an abyss without end, as if everything is engulfed by ruthless darkness. It's a moment when we find ourselves lost in our own shadows, the pain and hopelessness in our hearts weaving a heartbreaking tapestry. Yet, only by seeking that faint glimmer in the abyss can we truly understand the pain within and discover the way out. In the abyss of the soul, when agony and sorrow converge, it feels like being trapped in endless darkness. At such times, avoidance is not an option, escape is not the solution. Instead, face the pain within. Like stars in the night sky, moments of agony become opportunities to discover the truth within. Only in the depth of pain can we touch the resilient heart deep within, awakening the dormant courage. Agony and sorrow constitute a storm within, but also mark the beginning of resurgence. Do not dwell in sorrow but break through the adversity with unwavering will. Just like the rainbow after the rain, after days of agony, we will witness the beauty within. Only in the rhythm of agony can we hear the resilient heartbeat, in the deepest recesses of the soul, tolling the bell of rebirth.